Now I'm going to be backtesting a Sydney breakout strategy. So first of all, you look let's check. We have the replay tool. This is it above here. All right. I'm just going to remove this bar, place somewhere here. Okay. So this is the replay tool. So you come backwards to the date which you want to start backtesting. Let's say if you see beneath, that's in the end of your screen, you're going to see Wednesday 28th of August. All right. That was Wednesday 28th of August. But we come back. Let's say I want to start backtesting from, let's just say, from here, all right, from Monday the 19th of August. But you could go as far as starting back from, let's say, February, January, or 2023, all right? It depends on you. Now remember, you want to backtest your strategy at least 100 times. At least 100 times. So that you have data over 100. All right. You have data over 100. And you can evaluate to see if that strategy worked 70 times, it means it was 70%. So the risk to reward ratio I'm going to be using is 1:2. All right. I just want to risk one to get two, no more. Okay. So I could also leave my trades to run depending on my trading strategy. So according to my trading strategy, number one, I'm going to be trading the Sydney breakout. All right, Sydney breakout. Secondly, I'm going to allow my trades to run. All right, so I'm going to be swing trading until my TP gets hit or my stop loss, or I just cancel if it's running for more days. All right, and then my risk is reward ratio is 1:2, and I'll be doing top down analysis. So I click on the replay tool. Here we go. You have bar replay. I click on it. All right, and I start from here. Monday 19 August. Once you click on it, you see that your chart, your current price is going to end on Monday 19 August. Once you subscribe to TradingView, you have a free version for this replay. Now, if you don't have a free version for the replay, you can purchase it, all right? You can buy it. It's about $9 for a month. I think so, $9 to $12. It's not that expensive, so you can purchase it. So you can see the dates here. You have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Here we go, Monday. So this is a 30-minute time frame. I'm going to go to the daily time frame. Okay, so this is the daily time frame. It's quite shady because we separated R. We did separate R. Now I'm going to be trading the Sydney breakout. So basically my top-down analysis here is just for me to know my key levels, all right? Just to know my key levels. So I first of all map out my resistance. I'm going to do a complete video on top-down analysis. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you're going to get this video. So I have my support here. Remember, I'm trading Sydney breakout. So I'm going to just do this top-down analysis basically for doing sake. Let me put it that way, all right? So to know the movement of the market. So right now I see that the market is moving towards my next resistance level. This is it. I'll have it here. Yeah. So going back to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that the market is actually in a range, all right? And then we have a bit of the overall movement is actually a range. Then we have a bit of an uptrend, an upwards movement here. So I'm going to draw my trend. Let me start from here. I'm going to draw my uptrend. So that's it. That's my uptrend. Now my uptrend line collides with my horizontal resistance. For those who know, this forms an ascending triangle, all right? An ascending triangle for the chart patterns. I have an uptrend line which collides with the horizontal resistance. Okay, you don't want your the wicks of your candles to be cut and so on. So basically this is it, and I move down to the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame, you see how clear it is, right? So this is my ascending triangle, and I'm going to be waiting for a breakout of the Sydney session. All right, so I will be placing my trade or my order. Remember, I use order types too. I use order types. That's the buy stops, the buy limit, sell stops, sell limit, and all of that. This video is already getting too long, so Now, this is a 1 hour time frame, and I'm seeing my ascending triangle and uptrend. So I'm waiting for the breakout of that resistance zone for me to have a buy trade. So I'll move down to the 30 minutes to have my entries. Remember, I'm trading the Sydney breakout. So what I'll simply do is I use my long position tool here. So by 6:30, let's see the time. That's 5:30, right? So I'm going to place an order above. I'm expecting a breakout. And my stop loss will be beneath the Sydney low, all right, where the Sydney session closed. Remember, risk to reward ratio 1:2, 1:2. So we have it there, 1:2. I'm risking 38 pips to make 78 pips. Now, after doing this proper analysis, let's see how this runs. I don't know if it's going to hit stop loss or TP, but remember you're testing this strategy 100 times so that you know how many times it worked. All right. And you've seen the reason why I took a buy. So I take play, and the trade is running. The trade is running. Hopefully it hits our TP. It has extended into the New York session. Let me pause. Let me pause and increase the. So basically the trade has run already for a day, all right, and it's running into profit. So normally I also use the break even strategy, all right, because it's giving me another low. My resistance has been broken already from this level, and I'm looking forward to reaching this other resistance, but I'm trading on 1:2. So basically I'm already having like a 1:1, 1:1, or 1:0.5 something. So I'm going to remove my stop loss to my entry, depending, or I'm going to shift my stop loss closer to my entry. But then let's see how this works. All right, if it actually hits TP, and when it does hit TP. Remember, I am going to be trading like the trade to run, like, all right. So swing trading, not really like day trading.